Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have a subject. Our subject is about countable and uncountable food. As you see, we have so many kind of food, and we have to say which one is countable and which one is not countable. For example, can you count cucumber? Yes. Very good. We can count cucumber. We can say one cucumber, two cucumbers, three cucumbers. Okay. What about lemon? Can we count lemon? Yes. Excellent. We can say one lemon, two lemons, and three lemons. Another one. Who can tell me what is this? Orange. Excellent. Can you count orange? Yes. Very good. For counting orange, we have to say what? One orange, two oranges. Excellent. Very good. As you all can see, this is onion. This is what? Onion. Who likes onion? Okay, good. Okay, this is countable food. We have some uncountable food. For example, what is this? Rice. Excellent. As you can see here, what is this? Rice. Both are very good. They are rice. Can we count rice? No. Can we count it just like 1, 2, 3? No. Of course not. We cannot count it. Okay. What about water? If you don't say a bottle of water, what we say? Can we say, give me one water? No. Like one water? No, you have to say one bottle of water. Okay?
What do you like, Navar? I would like some pasta. I would like an orange. I would like a biscuit. Can you give me some bread? Yes, of course. Thank you. Welcome. How many lemons are there? There are 3 lemons. Can you count the sugar? No, it's uncountable. Hi, I am Roman. I would like a biscuit. Do you like some pasta? Yes, please. I would like some pumpkin. I like a potato. I would like to drink some water. Hi, I would like a cucumber. Yummy. I would like a cookie. It's tasty. Hi, my name is Ivan. As my teacher said, about countables and uncountables. It's about countables like potatoes, tomatoes, lemon, cucumbers, and for uncountables like water, like rice, like soup, like bread, like meat, like anything.